In this episode of ScaleTalk, we're going to show you how to import data from your Rice Lake Livestock scale. First, you'll need to unplug the flash drive from your indicator and bring it over to your PC and plug it into an available USB port. Now we're going to create a new Microsoft Excel document and enter some column headers. There are a total of 7 headers for the data coming from the animal scale: date, time, net, head count, average, UOM, and shrink percentage. These headers must be entered manually. They're not part of the data file we're going to be importing. Now that we have our headers entered, let's bring in our data. Before we import, we want to select the first empty cell in our table. This will be right underneath the date header. Next, click the Data tab, and then click Get Data from Text. This will bring up a box to search for your database file. If you do not see it, use the drop-down to select All Files. We're looking for trans.db. Using the wizard, start by selecting Delimited and click Next. Now select Tab, Space, and Other. Enter a pipe character in the space next to Other. You'll find the pipe character on your keyboard just above the Enter key. It's shared with the \/ key, so you'll have to hold Shift when you press the button to get the pipe character. The data preview area shows you what information is about to be imported. Then click the Next button. With the first column highlighted, select the Date button and set the format to MDY for month, day, year. Then click the Finish button. Make sure that Existing Worksheet is selected, as well as the first cell under your date header. Then click OK. As you can see, the data has now been imported. You can double-click the column separators to expand the column width to accommodate the full width of the data. At this point, you can save the file on your desktop for record-keeping purposes. Thank you for watching ScaleTalk. If you have an idea for a future topic, follow the contact information on your screen.